What's up guys? Today I bring you a head-to-head comparison between two projector smartphones by the same company. So we have the 8849 Tank 2 versus the 8849 Tank 3 Pro. Roll the intro. And in case you didn't know, 8849 is a sub-company brand by Unihertz. So in this video we are simply trying to find out which phone has the better performing projector. I've already done full reviews of both phones and I will link those videos in the description box so you can learn more about the detailed specifications and features of both phones. Now in this video I only want to compare the projectors to see which projector produces the best results. Now one is a 720p laser projector and the other is a 480p DLP projector. But the results are not what you expect, so stay tuned. Now quickly start off with the prices. The Tank 2 can be picked up right now for only £279 and the Tank 3 Pro can be picked up from £438, and I will share the best prices and links in the description box for your convenience. So I'm going to put the basic specs up on screen so you guys can have a quick glance comparison, and you can pause the video if you want to study the specs. Moving on, let's compare the projectors. Alright, so the Tank 2 is a laser projector and Tank 3 Pro is a DLP projector. Laser projectors don't require any focusing, so it's basically always in focus. The DLP projector has a focus adjustment dial on the side, so you do have to manually focus the Tank 3 Pro. Native resolutions. The Tank 2 features a 720p native resolution, that's 1280 by 720, versus 854 by 480 resolution in the Tank 3 Pro. So basically 720p versus 480p. So does that mean the 720p will look better? Well, in this case, not exactly. And one of the reasons is the brightness. The Tank 2 features a 40 ANSI lumens of brightness versus 100 ANSI lumens of brightness in the Tank 3 Pro. So nearly more than double the brightness in the Tank 3 Pro could be the difference maker, and we're about to see the difference in real time. Furthermore, both projectors offer a massive 80,000 to 1 contrast ratio, so higher the contrast, wider the range of brightness. Alright, so here we are. I have both projectors set up on a stand. Okay, we're going to project directly on a cream colored wallpaper in front of me. As you guys can see, there is nothing projecting at the moment. I want to switch these on so you guys can clearly see that you are viewing the projectors and nothing else. I just want to show you that this is the actual projectors projecting in front of us and there's no trickery. Let me turn the light off. Okay, so I have them quite close together. So both images are overlapping. I'm going to separate them now. Let me focus the Tank 3 because the Tank 3 does need focusing. There we are. So both phones side by side at their home screens. And that is what we can see on the screen right now. Screens are mirrored. So on the left, that is the Tank 2. And on the right, that is the Tank 3 Pro. So you can already see the difference. I'll go close just to show you. So you can see that the 720p projector is blurry. You can see it's blurry. The text is not that readable. And if you look on the other side, the 480p projector, the text is actually more readable. The laser projector doesn't have any focus. It's automatic focus. So you are already seeing the difference. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick up the 720p projector, the Tank 2, and I'm going to go closer to the screen to see if it improves the detailing of the text. So I'm going closer, and as I go closer, I'll actually walk closer. It's not making any difference, even going really small. I guess the text is kind of clear now. It's still a bit blurry. So for text clarity, the Tank 3 Pro does a better job. Now let's actually open YouTube on both and get a side-by-side video going. There's certainly a difference in colors. You can see that already. Let's open up Costa Rica on both. Just pausing it on the parrot right now. We'll play more videos in a bit, but right now I just want to compare colors and stuff. So let's full screen them both. And this is where things get tricky because I haven't got enough space on that wall to show you both images side by side. So we're going to work something out. Don't worry about that. So I'll give you a quick taste. They are both overlapping. I've covered one of the projectors and now you can see that's the 720p. That's the Tank 2. And now I'm going to cover the Tank 2 and show you the Tank 3 Pro. You guys can see the difference. I'll swap again. Tank 2 versus Tank 3 Pro. Tank 2 versus Tank 3 Pro. At this stage, they both look pretty good, to be totally honest. I think the colors look slightly better in the Tank 3 Pro, slightly more lifelike, whereas the Tank 2, the red is slightly brighter than it should be. Okay, I am going to try and get a side by side now, so let's go closer. Alright, I finally got something that looks satisfactory, top and bottom images. So here are the phones. We've got one lower and one slightly raised, so I can get that top and bottom image. So just to show you which one's which, the bottom one is the Tank 2 and the top one is the Tank 3 Pro. I will mark them on screen, and just paused on this image you can see the difference. I'll go closer. So the top one you can see looks more lifelike. The colors and contrast look brilliant. The bottom image is also quite clear, but you can see in comparison the top image looks better. So that's already surprising results. I'm actually going to play back this video so we can see the difference in real time. So before I play back the video, let's switch the light on. Let's check out daytime projection quality. So that's with the light on. You can see the laser projector is slightly messing up the focus from my camera because of the light. But you can see they're both still kind of visible. But when you turn the light off, that's when you can really enjoy the projector. So I'm going to talk about the keystone correction. So both projectors have keystone correction, and there is no manual correction in either of these projector phones. Alright, so now it's time to play a bunch of trailers and videos, and we're going to see the difference. Here we go. So just paused it on the Lizard as I usually do, and I'm going to show you guys the phones as well, because a few people were commenting in the main reviews of these phones that I'm showing fake projection. You can see they are both projecting. Nothing fake about this. You can see what's on the screen and it's right there in front of you. Nothing fake about it, guys. Mr. Lizard is real. Okay, close up. So both images are clear, but you can see the image background is a bit more red than it should be. So this is the real-time difference, guys. This is what you can expect. A 720p projector phone versus a 480p DLP projector phone. And the DLP part makes a massive difference. And that's why I made this video today, because I wanted to show you guys the difference.
God used to beg me to wear this suit. Started storing a beast, but I couldn't have him thinking.
Sir, your inner circle's been compromised. You can't see that. Roger that. I'm on position. Do you see him, copy?
So there you have it, guys. That was my quick comparison of the built-in projectors in both of these super rugged smartphones, the Tank 2 versus the Tank 3 Pro. Now you guys know exactly which one produces the best results. The improved brightness and clarity in the Tank 3 Pro is most welcomed, and the results speak for themselves. To find out more info on these smartphones, including my full reviews, do check out the links in the description box. Meanwhile, I do hope this video has helped you see the differences and you guys have found it useful. If you want to see more of my latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews, hit the like button, sub to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.